guys, welcome back to the channel. So I've had a little bit of a break, not really because I necessarily wanted to, more or less just because I had stuff I had to get done to be able to set us up for this year. Not just, I was going to say myself and then us at the same time, but it was really just set us up for a good season this year. Now, having said that, we're going to be racing Angel's car today, which is a 2013 Mustang GT California Special. If you haven't seen it before, you can go back and check out some of the other videos. We did one that did really good where the only modification to this car, other than the wheels and tires, the only mod was a drive shaft, and we picked up 2 tenths. So having said that, that was on a 28-inch tall Mickey Thompson ET Street SS tire, 275 60/15. We have now had to buy new tires. Those were beyond gone. They were toasted. They had nails in them. Trash. We went to a 275 50/15, which ends up being a 26 10/50 basically. And I'll show you guys this one. I'm going to show you the car. That way you guys can see it is a stock car. Drive shaft only. We changed tire heights to see if this thing would do better. Until we can get a converter and all the other bolt-on parts on this car, we are going to be kind of hindered by getting the car to leave. It's automatic car, it just doesn't go. But as you can see, it is a 275 50/15 ET Street R, and this tire right here should work really good. Car is full interior, nothing taken out of it. We have changed nothing from last year except for the tire. The car has a catch can, stock airbox, stock intake manifold, stock injectors, stock fuel system. Literally nothing has been touched on this car yet. However, we do have parts for it sitting around. We got an intake, injectors are already in there. I got to get a booster pump, and we have a converter sitting in the pile of junk I got sitting around the shop. You ready to go racing today?
Absolutely.
All right, let's go have some fun. All right, guys, we're here. Angel's about to make the first pass of the day. So they actually started us 30 minutes early today, so nobody was ready, including us, but here we are. I've got no ears. All right, here's Angel's first pass. See how these new tires end up doing. $13.21, still a PB. VMP Gen 3R car we just finished. $13.02. Not a bad first run. $10.22, $11.32. ET faster. You went 13.2. Here we go. rocky. Let's see what this thing will do. $10.79, 141. That thing's rolling. $12.85. He got a new PB. Huge improvement. Alright, fresh after a cleanup, we had a bad dump. Mustang took out another car with it, so we just trying to keep it straight. That's impressive. 1224 for a hybrid.
Oh. 16 seconds.
Cobra swap, Mark 8, or blower swap. Thing sounded cool on the line. $13.50, 107. 962, 151. Nice, 1282, 114.
4 miles per hour. Right-hand lane did slow down at 81 miles an hour. 13 seconds in the left lane, 16 seconds to the right. It's a massive.
Slow down.
Make you think you're not going to.
There's Andrew up next Camaro. getting consistent. All right, Jacob. Let's go. Second gear. Second gear. RPM's up. Good job, buddy. That was a good one. He's still learning it. New PB. $10.05. God, so close. All right, Angel, come on now. Let's see if we can get that 12.9. So close. Truck was really loud.
17 miles per hour, 12 seconds to finish that. 94 miles an hour, the left-hand lane.
I literally have no idea what the hell that even was. Wow. Something happened with that. That was weird. Alright, Tracy, let's see how this Whipple truck does. Sleeper as can be, buddy. Damn, it did it. Woo! This right here is my favorite car here. I don't know why, but I love this little Lincoln. This little Lincoln is 98 or so, Mark 8. Has a 0304 Cobra M112 on it on like 16 pounds. It runs really good for what it is. Favorite car, super sleeper. $11.53 for the vet. 14.0. It went 13.50 earlier. I was hoping for another 13. This is next on my agenda. I want one so bad I can't stand it. Excited to see what it runs. I just hope it beats his golf. Easy win. Come on, 13. 15, 19. Not bad. Back him up, do it again. Come on, car, hold it down. It's gonna be tough. No track bite left. No nines tonight, man. Dude, this lady is freaking awesome. She's been running this Cougar all night. XR7, I think. Something, give us 1 second. I think he might exhaust that other truck. He's gonna get it real quick. Hey, Rich, is that oil or is that water? No, over there. Is that oil or water? That's water. I think it came out at Cummins, the first one, so I didn't know if it was oil or what. Window? Oh, you got it. Truck I put together. Gen 4 Coyote, Whipple, Gen 5. $11.65. All right, come on, little Coyote that could. $12.99, let's go. Don't spin this time. Best for the night. Track is gone though, it's just spinning.